Assalamualaikum students, this is Ms. Rahima. Today I am here with another art and craft activity, and we will be making a bird with the help of some basic shapes. So for the artwork you will be needing a UHU stick or gum, a ruler, a rounded safety scissor, one white paper and two computer papers of any color. Okay, now let's get started with the artwork.
Start.
Okay, so students, here we have teacher has drawn a square. Okay, and this the measurement of the square is 4 into 4 inches. Okay, so and here I have drawn a triangle by folding the yellow paper into 4 halves. Okay, so that I can have 4 triangles at once. So now let's start cutting. Okay, now we will just open the gum. We will take the square and apply the glue on the corners as we always do, and then we will take the white paper and paste it on the center. Okay, then we will be pasting the eye of the bird. And which shape is this? This is circle. So we will be pasting the eye of the circles. After this we will be pasting the legs. We will take the triangle, apply the glue, and we will paste this in this direction, and the other leg will be pasted in this direction. Okay, and then for the beak we will be pasting it here like this. See, is it looking like a square bird? Now there is something missing, and that is the wing of the bird. So for the wing I have taken a circle cutout, and this I have turned the circle into half like this. See, now this is the semicircle shape. Which shape is this? Semicircle shape. So we will apply the glue on one side, and then we will be pasting it here like this, so that it can be open like this. Okay, if you want you can give it an outline as well. Now with the help of your mama you will take a marker, or you can take the crayons and take the black color from the crayons and make the eyeball of the bird like this. Okay, as the bird did not have the eyeball, so we will be making the eyeball and the eyebrow like this. Okay, see, so our bird is all ready. So now what we have to do is we will just take the scale and we will take the permanent marker and we will give it an outline, so that our artwork will look good. Okay, we will just give them a border like this. Okay, like this. Okay, and then you can write your name here and send me a picture of this. Till then, stay happy, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.